When it comes to Android, OEMs take their own approach, but for Sony, its interface hasn't seemed as polished as its rival OEMs. However, the company is using its concept for Marshmallow program as an opportunity to learn from customer feedback, and after a few days with the update, we're asking, is Sony's interface about to get the major overhaul that it desperately needs? Hey, what's going on everybody, it's Nirav here for Android Authority, bringing you a quick look at Sony's concept for Marshmallow, running on the Sony Xperia Z3. Sony's hardware is definitely premium, but its software has been somewhat lackluster of late, with elements such as small apps still present despite a lack of positive user feedback. Sony's interface has also traditionally been quite slow, but one thing you'll notice immediately about the Marshmallow update is just how fast and fluid it actually is. Prior to Marshmallow, Sony adopted a similar approach to some of its rivals by customizing large parts of the Android experience, but this resulted in sluggish performance. With its Marshmallow update, however, Sony has adopted the less is more approach, and like Motorola, it is running an almost stock version of Marshmallow, with the addition of just a few small Sony changes and tweaks. The first thing you'll notice is the Sony launcher, which looks quite similar to previous versions but has improved to make it much faster. Alongside the launcher, Sony has also tweaked the settings app to include more options than are present on stock Android. As you might have expected based on past handsets, Sony has also replaced the stock gallery and music players with its own album and music applications. Sony's other additions to the OS include its Xperia Care application and its own camera app. The Xperia Care app provides quick access to support topics and warranty information and helps you customize your smartphone. While in the camera app, a key change is the speed of the app, with photos now capturing and loading much faster than they do on Lollipop. There's also less camera apps pre-installed, and the options are quite minimal, packaged inside a sleek and relatively easy to use camera experience. So this is a quick hands-on, but what do you take away from Sony's concept for Marshmallow project? It's really simple. Sony is finally fixing its software, and if the final product is as quick as this beta, Sony may yet find its smartphone division regain profitability. The concept for Marshmallow project is a vision of a new Sony, and this is how all Sony smartphones should be: fast, fluid, and no silly preloaded apps. Just a clean experience with a few small additions to the stock OS. So what do you think of Sony's concept for Marshmallow, and do you want to see it running on your Sony Android handset? Let us know your views in the comments below, guys, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Check out the related videos that are appearing on the right. Don't forget to subscribe, and hey, head over to androidauthority.com because we are your source for all things Android. Until next time.